Alright, what is going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back at another video today. Y'all see I have 4 huge packages that I will be unboxing. Y'all sure already know what it is, man. Shouts out to my bro, Unbreakable Kicks, man. We go way back to the giveaway over the Black Cement 3s, 2017, I believe so. Dope giveaway. It was good to give back to that lucky winner. And hopefully we get some giveaways coming in the near future, man. So with all that being said, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Ring notification bell for your boy. It's gonna be a quick video, and also follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World and sub to my second channel called DeVintage. Link will be in the description box below as well, man. We got about 15, 16 subs over there, but your boy is happy with that channel. I can put literally anything I want over there. It's kind of like an outlet for me, like a little venting channel, I guess you can say. So yeah, y'all go support me over there as well. But with all that being said, let's get right into these 4 huge unboxings, man. Let's get it. All right, so most of y'all probably already know what this is, man. I'm going ahead and tell y'all, it is drop front containers. Like I said, shouts out to Unbreakable Kicks for the huge steal, man. Let me go ahead and pop these things open. Y'all see the new box cutter. Your boy wasn't playing, man. I had to get something new, something different. And I just went to Amazon, looked up knives, and this one looked the coolest, so I got this one. See, I can't dag me in the comment section anymore about my regular box cutter, man. My Walmart, Family Dollar, whatever y'all want to call it, box cutter. So we're gonna get into this thing, man. You take these things up pretty good. We're gonna get into it, and then I'm gonna do like a little montage or quick little B-roll, me putting them all up and putting all my shoes in there that I still have left over. I gave my little brother like 6 pair of shoes. Gave him some DS shoes. I gave him shoes I barely wore. So shout out to little bro. He won that little challenge. Y'all gonna see the challenge soon. It was very dope, very funny. I wasn't gonna let him win it all first, but y'all see all the details in the later video, man. So here you see it. I got the black containers, and I already know the first person that's gonna comment on this video and talk trash is Director WizKid, because I recently said I didn't want to switch over to black containers, but then I don't know what it was. I was like, let me go ahead and get these for a steal, and I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna do it, because you know I got clear and smoke gray now. Maybe I put the black towards the bottom and keep it clear at the top. I don't know yet, but right now I'm just gonna throw them up there and start filling up the shoes, and I'll figure it out later, man. I'm not gonna organize them or anything, so let's get right into putting up all these cases, man. Black drop fronts. Shouts out to the Container Store, and shouts out to Unbreakable Kicks, man. Let's put these things up. All right, guys, so focus. So we just put up all the cases up right there, man. Now we about to start filling all the shoes y'all see over here. Behind that, next to the window, we're about to put all those in these drop fronts, man. I'm missing like 3 crates right here. I got to get 3 cases. It's crazy. But I'm trying to get it to where it fill up all the walls. So I got shoes all in my room or all in my closet. So y'all boys about to see that right now. The montage of me throwing all the kicks in the drop fronts, man. I'm trying to make it like 40 seconds, maybe 30 seconds. Put some nice little music in there so y'all can enjoy it. And yeah, let's put these shoes in the drop fronts. Alright guys, that is it for putting the shoes in there, man. Check out, look at this down here, man. Look at this. This is why you go to drop fronts. You don't got to go through this, man. This is why. Look at this. And look at that. Look at this. Look at that. You see the difference, right? this is why I'm switching over to drop fronts, man. It was a big issue with me finding a shoe, so I go through all the boxes, try to figure out what's best for the fit that day, and you don't gotta go through that. You ain't gotta go through this no more. You just keep it just like this, and you be straight, man. So still need a lot more drop fronts, maybe like 50 more drop fronts to go across the whole wall and they go up right there, and I'll probably be like 100 right there. So I'm gonna try to keep a collection. I've been downsizing a lot, so try to keep collection around like 150 at the most in the collection, because I don't gotta need that many shoes, man. Of course I'm gonna get all the Yeezys and stuff, so I don't know. But shouts out to Unbreakable Kicks for assisting me with the drop fronts. I appreciate that, man. It was a big blessing right there. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my new channel called DeVintage. Link in the description box below. I'm tired, I'm sweating. Also like the video, comment down below if you like the drop fronts or you like all this. If you like all that, let me know in the comment section below. I'm all here for discussion. Appreciate all of the support, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.